Ooh, what's going on, you guys? It is Boston, back on your screen bringing you a brand new video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below to join the Boston family. Today, we're going to be going on a vacation to Southwest Florida today. I am so excited because the children do not even know yet. And I planned this trip, so let's go get the kids. They're sitting down in the living room. Let's see what they're doing this morning. So this is crazy. Hi there, sons. How we doing?
We're just watching some TV.
You guys chilling watching some TV here, I see. Well, guess what, fellas? Guess what, boys? We're going on a vacation to Southwest Florida. We're going to Southwest Florida for vacation. Vacation! Go get suitcases. Pack up your stuff, sons. Go pack your stuff. Go pack your stuff. I'll get the car ready. Alright, we're taking my Chrysler Pacifica over here right now. So, okay. This big truck blocks, like, we may sell this thing one day, you guys, but you never know.
I'm sad, Papa.
Alright, put your suitcase back in the car, sons.
Suitcase in the back. Boom.
Alright, I'm gonna get the car ready to go right now. So let's start this girl. Brother,
You're bring brother 3J, really?
Okay, here we go, you guys. We're gonna be hitting the road right now to Southwest Florida. Are you guys ready? Are you guys 100% ready for this? Hold on, you guys. Hold on. Before we go, I'm gonna make sure the navigation's on here. Yes? Really? Son? Really? Really? Brother. Oh, thanks, brother, but I'm trying to figure out the navigation on this car because I never ran this Chrysler before, so I'm trying to figure it out here. Hold on 1 second. Alright, we're gonna be hitting the road right now. Here, just a second here. If my camera. What the flip? Okay, my camera's acting weird. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Alright, we got everyone in the car. Here we go. It's vacation time, boys. I got finally. Bruh. Can I have some? Bruh, Leafman, you're not even allowed to have anything yet, bro. We got like 9 hours to get to Southwest Florida. We got 9 hours to get to Southwest Florida, bro. This is crazy. So we're heading the highway right now, fellas. It's gonna be quite a trip for us. But I wish we have a Chrysler Pacifica to do, you know. Chrysler Pacificas, you never know what to expect because they're the nicest car in Greenville, Wisconsin. So we are roaring down the road right now, you guys. I am so excited for this road trip because it's going to be so much fun. I am so excited for this. Are you ready back there, sons? You sons ready back there? Alright, here we go. We going right now. What, Amtrak? Okay, it must be on the way. Thank you for telling me it should be on the way soon. But not through here, but through Greenville, thank goodness.
Yeah.
I think it's like close when we get to Florida, so. You never know what to expect, right?
Yeah.
Leafman, you're hungry? We got chips in the back of the car, dude. Hey, you guys quit arguing, how about? Quit arguing back there, how about, fellas? Alright, guys, we will see you guys when we get to Southwest Florida. Alright. Alrighty, you guys. We have officially arrived here in Southwest Florida. I cannot believe that we're finally here and we're having a great time. Sons, are you okay back there? Good thing we passed that tornado, huh, Amtrak? Good thing we passed that. That was dangerous.
I did also pack the weather radio for any emergency alerts for my dad.
Oh, yeah, for sure. But we are finally here. We're going to do a nice vacation. Hey! Hey! You, leaf man. Quit being rude back there, how about that? How about you show respect?
The weather radio is activated.
This is crazy, you guys. We are arriving in the main town of Southwest Florida. We're just on the highway right now. But
Hey, don't snatch the weather radio from me. It's mine.
okay, quit fighting back there. Otherwise, I'll have to pull this crush so we can turn around and go home. How about that?
I need a new weather radio, Dad.
You'll be fine, Amtrak. You'll be fine.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Like I said, something could change here. Alright, we're going to our rental house right now. I'm not sure where the location is. Okay, I'm going to pull over.
Oh, yeah.
Is it...
Guys, we have another issue.
Where's the location? There, 3J. You got the location.
No.
Hey, you stop, boys.
Fine.
This is crazy. I cannot believe it.
Dad, the weather radio is activated. We have a high wind warning.
We have a high wind. This car could be shaky a little. You never know what to expect, right?
Yeah. And it's not good.
Oh, thank you for telling me, Amtrak.
See some trash like flying at the sky. Oh my god.
Looks like that high wind is going crazy back there towards the dealership.
We need to go see a rental house quick.
Bro, the light's not even turning green. I gotta sneeze. Watch out, Sets. Watch out. Ah! Oh. So sorry about that, fellas. Sorry! I had to! How dare you? Did I just jump scare you, Leaf Man? That's green. It should be. This should be quite far. Oh, gosh. Bang!
We have another alert, guys. On board radio. It takes a drift on your phone's watch.
Next one. Sorry.
Now we turn.
Thank you, 3J.
See the hospital right there.
Ah! Who just sneezed back there? Goodness.
Sorry, guys. I was sneezing.
Of course you were.
Sorry, guys.
Alright, guys, here we are. Which house is it, 3J? Which one?
It's right here.
Oh, I'm not sure why you gotta get out and do that. Home, sweet home, guys. We are officially home.
We're at home.
We are home. Let's go. Look at this. This is so nice, a piece of our property. What would you guys think? This is so nice. Let's open the door.
All of my money for this. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so nice.
Guys, we have a notification on the phone.
Bro,
Look at this.
yeah, we better turn on the lights. Bro!
Dad,
Bro, what is back here? Yes, Amtrak, right behind you. Holy cow, there's even a hot tub. Brothers relaxing already. There's couches everywhere. Hey, I'm gonna see if everyone's okay. You excited there, Leafman, I say, huh?
I hear a tornado siren.
Oh, well, I think that's just fake their son. I think that's just fake.
We have a tornado warning elevator.
Pop, you surely do you know how to run this house, Pop?
Of course I do, son. And 3J's the rental of this kind of house, so obviously
Hey,
turn on the
who
lights.
wants some free pizza?
Did you just make us pizza there, son? Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Oh, Leafman. Leafman's going to stand. Give me a cheese. How about there, 3J, son?
I need a tissue.
Hey, sons. After we eat, do you guys want to head? Do you guys want to head to the water park? I hear there's a water park around here somewhere, so I'm gonna. Who is sneezing on me?
Time to hit the road again. Now vacation time.
Let's get it. Let's get it, everybody. How did your Jeep get here? Park it inside the garage there, son. Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we got it's dark time over here right now, but we're going to the water park to see if it's open. It should be open at nighttime. Really hope it is. Really hope it is, but we're gonna get there as fast as we can. I'm not sure where this water park actually is, fellas, but we're definitely try that fight as fast as we can. So be patient, everyone. I don't know where this water park is. We're going to the water park. Yes, we are. Going to the water park is fun. Is that red? I can't tell that's red because of the... Oh yeah, it is. Definitely is for sure. What was that? Oh no, what was that? I hear sirens. What's all this? Don't worry, we'll get to the water park and then we'll take cover to the water park. We'll take cover when we get to the water park. Alright, fellas? We'll take cover, I promise. Oh! I'm gonna go fast as I can. I'm not even pulling over by the cops. I am not pulling over because of that. Takes elevator to Dr. Pepper. PTA! Sup, PTA? I think your brother just stole your Dr. Pepper. Alright guys, we're going to the water park right away, if we can. I can hear the siren still going off over here right now. I'm going fast, son. If I... Okay, guys, I'm going off-road. Oh, I can't see! Can't even see a thing back here. Easy, okay. Alright, we're going... Alright, I found a road. Ah! Tree! This Chrysler could be damaged. It's okay, though. Well, I'll pay for it, get it fixed. Don't worry, fellas. Guys, we're pulling to the water park. I see... Oh my gosh, guys. There is the water park. I cannot believe that. There's a water park over here right now. Everything must be not canceled then. Wow, I thought there was a tornado siren there for a second. Alright, boys, we're pulling to the water park. Who's ready to have some fun? Let's just park over here. Alright, you guys go ahead and jump out, get swimming. I'll go pay real quick. I'll go pay. Alright, there goes our son's going swimming over here right now. Wow, guys. This is beautiful water park over here. What do you guys think of this place? Honestly, it's pretty big. Ooh, what's this? What the? Amtrak's going floating. You guys gonna? Oh, they're floating. That is so cool. So fun. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa, these are slides. I love these slides. I'm going down them. I love these slides. I love these slides over here. I'm definitely going down them if I can. Oh, they're right up there. But how am I going to get up there? So, anyway, you guys, we are going...
Ah, yeah.
Whoa, looks like one of the sun's speed. Are you relaxing?
Yeah, I'm gonna relax. These chairs are so comfortable.
Oh, yeah, they are. You could see this nice, beautiful pool range over here. Even a bridge to cross. Man, that is awesome. I'm not sure where our sons are at, but we found the slide over here. I am ready for that, and I'm gonna go big on the big water slides after I try this one. All right, we're going down this white one. Whee! Whee! I'm sliding. Yay! Whoa, that was so fun. That was so much fun. You can tell that Pete's still relaxing right there. Everyone's floating over here. This is crazy. I wonder where they are. I'm gonna see if I can catch them on this side if I can. Don't see them. Oh, I have to go through that waterfall. Oh my! Oh, there's kids. These are for kids, bruh. I know, they're so much fun, right? I'm gonna cross the water here. Just gonna do a little swim here. Yay! Oh, there goes Leafman. Bye, Leafman. Oh, this is so much. Oh, there's one of them. The big slides time. It's time for the big slides, boys. Definitely still time. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. This is gonna be so much fun. Pretty sure my sons are like, oh, what are you doing? What? Oh, there's one. Oh, I found one of my sons. It's Amtrak back there. These slides are so much fun, you guys. Honestly, if you do these in real life, that would be so much fun. Oh no, Amtrak must be still starting to get up here. Oh my god, guys, look at this dark view from up here. Oh yeah, I sure am, brother. Not brother, son. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, this is a nice, beautiful view from up here. You can see everything from up here. All right, I'm gonna go down this blue one. Oh, there we go. Whee! Oh, brother. How did I just do that? I literally went flying. Like, bro. I literally just went flying over here right now. This is insane. This is insane. Oh, there goes my baby son. PTA, he's our littlest. Bro, these kiddie pools. I'm gonna try this tiny slice, see if I actually fit in it. Oh, I actually fit in that? Actually? Oh my gosh, bro. All these chairs could be definitely good exercise for a second. Oh, you good there, Amtrak son? You know, you gotta relax in there. Alright, we're gonna go cruise for a minute. Oh, yeah, I just felt that water. That was so good. That was so good. That was so much fun. So much fun with a cruise. I love cruising. Bro, I see Pete on the tubes. I'm gonna tell him to get down when he gets over there. Because Pete should know better, guys, not to be on there. Oh yeah, this is a nice cruise. Go for a nice little cruise over here. Going for a cruise over here. Yeah, buddy. Oh, there's one of our sons. PTA. Well, not PTA, Leafman. Pete!
What?
Get down from there!
Sorry.
Oh, brother. Swim is so much fun, you guys. I'm underwater right now. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's even this little tiny waterfall. That is so amazing. These are so amazing over here right now. Swimming.
Yay! So it's swimmy.
home, Amtrak? Really? Alright, what's at home? Sons! Let's go! Let's head home right now before the tornado catches. I just got a word there's a tornado heading for us. There's a tornado heading for us. So get in the Chrysler right now, fellas. This is so bad. Really bad over here. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. We gotta hurry home right away. This is crazy. Is everyone in the car? Who are we missing? I don't know where they are. I'm gonna toot their horn and see if they can hear my horn. Oh my gosh. Wait, PJ's in the car. Bro, this is not okay. We're gonna hit my home. Okay, I'm not sure what Leafman is, but we're up to leave him here because he wanna follow the rules. Oh no. We gotta hit the road. Bro, where is... Alright, I'm gonna try and get there. I'll get us home right away. He's in the car, isn't he? I hear footsteps. There's Leafman. We are literally about to leave you, Leafman. We are literally about to leave. Alright, we're gonna end home right now before... Oh, the sun is out. Like, bro, how's the sun out? If a tornado warning is coming, but there's clouds in the sky. Did you guys have fun at the water park today? Oh, it'll be at midnight? Okay. Alright, we are roaring down the road right now back to the crib for the night. We're going fast because this is crazy. Amtrak just said there's a tornado hitting right this way. But I will believe Amtrak, I'm not gonna lie. This is crazy, fellas. This is so crazy. Alright, we are almost there to the... We're almost to the rental house. We're getting close. We're getting on the main highway right now. We could go right on red, which is we know right. Amtrak, we'll get back to the house as soon as we can. We'll head home tomorrow. Back to Greenville. Yeah, of course. Is everyone else okay back there? Oh boy, Amtrak. I'm gonna get you home fast as I can.
Dad, we should go to the doctor.
The hospital's closed today, Amtrak. At the rental house, yeah, they said we have medicine, so I think we should be alright. Your lovely brother ever? I got too many kids to watch. Oh, bro. Good thing there's no cops around. I could have got busted right there. It's closed, Amtrak. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Anyway, guys, we are pulling up back to the rental house right now. We're back at the rental house right now, and it's like the 3J Jeep is still sitting outside. Ah, bro, he just literally had to step out for no reason, bro. All right, we're home. We're home, sons. In the house. In the house. Let's just get in the house and relax for a minute and get in the hot tub. I'm gonna get in the hot tub and relax for a minute. So yeah.
Me too. There might be a tornado.
Oh, brother. Just gonna chill right in the hair. So, that was about. I needed some warm right there. Yes, I can. Bruh, son, What are you doing driving your Jeep in the back of this, Brett? Hey! Naughty boy, 3J. Naughty. Oh! We just ripped her. Oh my gosh. Well, what a crazy time it's been here in Southwest Florida. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to join the Boston family. Today, if you guys make it to the end of the video, you guys are awesome. We'll see you guys next time on Boston Gaming. Boston out.